Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s minus 1 because we still have s. So we need to move negative number 1 go to the left, and you got about u plus 1 equal to s. So we do first the derivative for the both side, and you got about du equals to the s. Next, this one we change for u, s we change for u plus 1, the s we change for du. So you got about u to the power of number 12 multiplied by u and number 1. And you got about u to the power of 13 plus u to the power of 12. The integration of this one, you got about u to the power of 14 over 14 plus u to the power of 13 over 13. And we put about c. About u, that's about s minus 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.